Hi friends, how are you all? Today I am here to discuss about that self-love and why it is so much important in our human life. Self-love is very much important. We saw in so many videos in YouTube, TV, like love yourself first, love yourself first. Love self-love is very much important. And why it is very much important? Because we saw in TV and we saw in newspaper, TV, social media at all, some people are dying. They are doing suicide, and, some people are depressed. Some people they have family but they feel lonely. Some people have money but they are not happy. Some people searching love. So why we are feeling like that? Like it means we are unable to love ourselves first. So if someone have family, why they feel lonely? Why? Some people's and some people have money but they they don't know how to be happy. They can buy everything but they are not happy. Why? Because we are unable to love ourselves. Some people are die, some people did suicide, some people is going to mentals at all. So because it means is we are stuck in past and we are thinking about future in future. So due to this reason I'm sitting and I'm thinking about past and future. I'm stuck in past and future. Due to this reason we are depressed, and due to this reason this result is coming like that. We are feeling lonely and we are unable to love yourself, and I have everything but I am not happy. But some people are doing this suicide at all. I saw in TV that one person is did suicide because that girlfriend is not talking with him. Means it's attachments, like their girlfriend is not talking with him. Due to this reason he died. So it means he don't know how to be happy. She just stuck, like if she or he she if she is or he is not talking, so I cannot live in this earth without him or her. Without him or her I cannot live in this earth. And we have forgot about who I am. I'm thinking about other person. What can I do? We have forgot about present. What is going on in this lockdown? That person is did like that forgot the lockdown is going on, and the coronavirus is going on. So many people are they are hungry and they are thinking that if she is or he is not talking with me, it's not talking, so I cannot live in this earth. Some people are stuck in present past, what I did, and they are thinking about future, what I do in my what I have supposed to do in my future, and they forgot about the present. They are sitting and thinking and wasting time because of past and future. Past you cannot be changed. You cannot be changed. If you are trying, you cannot be changed. What is past? What you did. You future. You don't know what is future. We can welcome the future. We have to work on what is going on. We have to work right now. We have to give the value of present time. And if we are stuck past and future, we cannot do anything. I want to share one more story. Like I'm talking with a example, you can say example. So I was talking with a guy who is from Pakistan, and he's talking and he sharing that one things, like if he is coming in India, everyone thought he is terrorist, and he putting someone put jail, uh, so, uh, and no one can introduce to him, like they don't. So he just what he did, doing, like he just sitting and thinking that if I am go to India and any other place, so everyone put me just jail. So we are thinking we have to change our mentality first. You don't know how what other people's are thinking. We cannot change the other people's what other people's think. We have to change ourselves first. Who I am, we have to see myself. I know who I am. So we have to confident about ourselves. If we are thinking about what other people's thinking, so you cannot go your religion's house, you cannot go anywhere, you cannot talk with the friends. So if we are unable to if we are unable to confident who I am, so you cannot do anything. Who I am, that is me, and I am presenting myself like me. I am not presenting myself what other people are wanting. So whatever I'm doing, so we have to confident about that. Whatever I'm doing, that is correct. So why we are thinking that what other people are thinking? Forget about other people's. Do what is correct for you and what is good for you. Confident about yourself first. Why we are thinking about past, what we cannot change, and what we are stuck in future, what we don't know. We can welcome the future and we can work hard in present right now. So it's very much important to value your time and give value your time, and don't think and too much, because thinking, you can think about that particular what you are doing right now and you can do right now. If you are stuck in futures and past, we cannot do anything. So I'm talking about loneliness, yeah, and other thing, loneliness. Why you are feel lonely? Why you are feel lonely? Because we have everything. Some people are talking, but I'm not I'm lonely because they're searching. How can I happy? How can I happy? How can I happy? If you are searching, you cannot be. You cannot. No one can give you what you wanting. So search yourself. What? How can I happy? If you are thinking so, I cannot be happy. Searching that why I am not happy, and why I am not feeling, why I am feeling lonely. If you are try to find out, so you are able. So try it. Don't do that type of work. What is don't do that type of work what is not correct. Yes, if you have any kind of questions related anything, please write in comments. So I love to give all the answer. And if you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. So I can share more things, and I can help you. So thank you so much to watching my video. Thank you. Bye bye.